faith and the Christian faith, two of the biggest things we hear about are community and fellowship. So if we're able to offer community and fellowship, that's a one-to-one connection between isolation and loneliness. So in my darkest times, in my most stressful times, in times of anxiety or angst, or whatever mental health struggle I may be going through, it's been that community that I've leaned on.
Opinion on the arts is I believe there is a way for artists to communicate their emotions and express what they feel strongly about in the world. I believe that it's a very universal way to communicate.
So I seen the whole thing, no cap. It was homie, he was coming down the street, and then I seen the other homie, he was coming in the street, and then boom, they just hit like that. I don't know what was going on.